Y'all give it up for Celeste one time. Teach me something, baby.
Well, I don't know if I have anything to teach right now, but I wanted to share what I think poetry is. And I literally think it's just sincerity. Plain and simple sincerity. And I often find for myself, I express poetry. I find myself in that kind of expression when I, one, absolutely don't give a fuck.
Come on.
But two, I give so many fucks that if I don't express that, I'm gonna die. Like I'm gonna explode. And it always happens at the same time. It's very interesting. Right? For the last 18 years, I've devoted my life to figuring out, to learning and discovering how to take care of this vehicle body so that we can explore intimacy. So in the way of healthy food and healthy movement and healthy breathing and healthy communication and touch. And so at this point in my life, I realized the thing that I care most about is intimacy.
You can teach me all of that, man.
So I have been so blessed so many times here in these Chicago circles with beautiful, beautiful sharings of song and music and song circles. And so I want to do something with that this evening, but I want to share it in a way that I haven't seen yet come to fruition here while I was here. It may have happened when I wasn't here. But I'm going to share one of my favorite ways of being intimate. So I want to ask if there's any of my vocalists out there. If there's any vocalists out there, would you please come to the center? And by vocalists, I mean you love that you have a voice.
That's everybody.
Okay. So with this song circle, there's one suggestion, and that is connection. So first step is to get comfortable. Get comfortable. And next step is find some connection. So it means to actually be in connection with another body, but absolutely do not sacrifice your comfort, okay, in order to be in connection. And it also means, it doesn't mean that we have to remain in a perfect circle at all. It doesn't have to look spherical, square, or whatever. It could be a squiggly-wiggly. Okay, and then you can move. You don't have to stay still. So the truth is that we are very water-like. So we can explore this few moments to be like the ocean. And let's see where we want to flow for the next probably minute, since I've taken so long to introduce. And so harmonizing through connection. Hi.